In a beautiful forest lived Nino, a little bird who loved keeping everything to himself. Watch how Nino learns a sweet lesson about sharing, kindness, and true friendship.
Nino was fast, clever, and loved collecting nuts.
These are all mine.
Nino, can you share one nut?
No, I need them all.
Just one nut, please? No sharing! I don't need anyone.
Soon winter came, cold wind blew. Snow covered the forest. But while going home one day, Nino slipped.
Nino searched everywhere. My food is gone! How will I survive in this winter?
I should have shared my food. Now nobody will share his food with me.
Nino, are you okay? Why are you crying? I lost my food.
We saved food together. You can also take our food.
Even after I said no, you guys helped me.
Friends share, even in hard times.
Snow melted. Flowers bloomed. Winter season passed. They enjoy food together.
Sharing brings true happiness.
And from that day, Nino was never alone.
Sharing brings kindness, friendship, and happiness.
To keep the exciting stories flowing and the algorithm off my back, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share this video. Think of it as your ticket to the chaos. Don't let the next story start without you.